In this tutorial, we'll show you how to delete incidents in iAuditor. Please note, incidents can only be deleted on the web app by users with incident management permission. To learn more about permissions, see our team management tutorials. Log into your iAuditor account and click Incidents in the menu bar. Here you'll see a list of all reported incidents you have permission to access. First, sort and filter the list to show only the incidents you want to delete. I'll click Add Filter and select Site. I'll check the box next to the category I want and click Done. Incidents can be deleted one at a time or in bulk. Now that I've narrowed down my list, I can check the box next to any incident I want to delete. Or click Select All to delete all at once. Once I've chosen the incidents that I need to be deleted, I'll click Delete. A confirmation message will appear with a reminder that these incidents will be deleted for all users and this cannot be undone. Here I can click to cancel this request, or click Delete to permanently delete these incidents. Now I can no longer see the two incidents I just deleted. To remove the filters I applied, I can click here or click the X here. Please note, you can delete up to 100 incidents at a time. That's how to delete incidents in iAuditor. For more information or to chat with our team, click here.